Hello everyone, and welcome to our another session of how to become a financial analyst. Today we will learn how to use a true argument or a zero argument into a VLOOKUP. So here is an example in front of you. So your boss says that these are the sales amounts, and if the people or the customer do these sales amount, you can give this much of the sales discounts to these people. So now what I will do, if I have to calculate this thing through our zero argument, I will say V look up this amount where over here, and because and then pick column number 2, which is the commission rate, and 1. I will not put 0. 0 is for exact match and 1 is for, and here it says for if anybody, and now this is my input cell. If anybody do a sales of a 500, which is do, but if I say, let's say if somebody will do a sales of 6521, what is the percentage? It says 4. Why? Because anything from 5,000 till 7499 is a 4%. So now what we have done is simply used a one option to find in between the ranges. Let's take a second example. Second example is this, that these are some of the cars which we have dispatched. There's some particular details, and these many times we have received the complaints against these cars, and as per our dealership rules and regulation, we will declare if there's a 0 will be most efficient. If there's a 1 complaint, we call it above average. If there are maximum 5 complaints, we call it a need improvement, and if there are 10 or more than 10, we call it a recall. So what I will do, I will go here and I say is equals to we look up what number of complaints where over here, and because I want to copy it vertically, so I'll make sure to put a $sign before the row references, and if yes, pick column number 2 and 1, not 0. I don't want exact match, and this, and here comes the results. And now see here, 10 is a recall, 3 which is not in the list, but still from 1 to 4 is above average, and any number, if let's say I will change this to 25, and straight away it's still recall, or 10 it is recall, 25 is recall, and here comes the result of every number over here, and you can see that it's exactly matches. And let's say if for a change I want to change it to let's say 2, so above average, and if I take it to 7, it says needs improvement. So everything is working as per the formula. So we call it a zero true argument in this. And last exercise before I finish, let's say this is the month, these are my sales representative, and they have served these many customers. So if they have served these many customers, my boss says to me that if they are 0 to 49, they'll be get 2% commission, 50 to 99, $5, 100 to 149, $10, and any 150 or anything above will be $25. So what I will do, I will go simply here and say is equals to we look up what these numbers of customers served where over here, and because I'm copying vertically, so I'll make sure $sign, and if yes, pick column number 2 and 1 is the between the ranges, and here is the answer. So system has calculated me, but he says commission, what is the commission amount? So if I have to calculate, this is what the commission percentage has been done. If he wants me to calculate the commission straight away over here, so simply I will do nothing. I will go over here and say multiply this amount again by 9, which is the value, and here now system has calculated the commission or salary or whatever it is for the customer. So this is a VLOOKUP with the true argument or with the zero argument. And I hope that you have learned something new from today's VLOOKUP functions, and if you want me to cover any specific function or scenario, then please feel free to leave a comment below and I will get back to you. And please like and subscribe and share my page to the people who really want to make a career in financial accounting. And thanks for tuning in. Bye.